Now, with increasing leaks and rumors surrounding the upcoming DJI Air 4, many are wondering what kind of upgrades it will bring. Will it be a revolutionary leap forward or just an incremental update? Today, we'll dive into everything we know so far, analyzing potential improvements, concerns, and whether this drone will be worth the wait. When it comes to leaks, they often originate from industry insiders, beta testers, or even accidental product listings. From the leaked images, it appears that DJI is sticking to the Air series' signature compact and foldable design. This is unsurprising since portability has always been a major selling point for the series. However, some notable refinements have been observed. The body looks sleeker and possibly more aerodynamic, which could improve flight efficiency and handling in windy conditions. Additionally, rumors suggest that the Air 4 may have stronger and more durable arms, which would enhance stability, especially for those flying in challenging environments. One concern is whether these design refinements will add weight, potentially impacting portability. However, DJI has always been mindful of keeping the Air series travel-friendly, so any weight increase is likely to be minimal. Another interesting rumor suggests that the Air 4 might share some design elements with the Mavic 4, hinting at a more polished and professional look. Could this mean that it will come closer to Mavic-level performance? That remains to be seen. There's also talk of a variable aperture, which would allow for greater control over exposure in different lighting conditions. If included, this feature would enable users to create more cinematic shots, particularly during sunrise and sunset when lighting can be tricky. Another rumored addition is a mechanical shutter, which would help eliminate rolling shutter distortion, a common issue when capturing fast-moving subjects. This feature is typically found in high-end drones, so seeing it in the Air series would be a major upgrade. However, these camera enhancements come at a cost. Advanced features typically drive up the price, and if DJI implements significant imaging improvements, the Air 4 could inch closer to the price range of higher-end models like the Mavic series. This raises an important question. Will potential buyers find these upgrades compelling enough to justify the increased cost, or will the Air 3 remain a viable alternative? Features like Active Track and Return to Home are likely to be even more refined, making the drone more intuitive and reliable. Additionally, improvements in transmission range and signal stability are anticipated. DJI's OcuSync technology has evolved with each generation, and a stronger, more reliable connection could be on the horizon. However, a concern is whether these enhancements will require more processing power, potentially affecting battery efficiency. Battery life is another crucial factor. The Air 3 already impressed with its 46-minute flight time, allowing pilots plenty of flexibility for capturing footage without feeling rushed. Leaks indicate that the Air 4 might push flight time even further, possibly up to 50 minutes. This would be a game-changer for aerial photographers and videographers who rely on longer flights to capture the perfect shot. As for the launch timeline, if DJI follows its typical 2-year release cycle, a late 2025 launch seems likely. Leaks suggest that the drone is well into development, aligning with this expected timeline. Pricing is another major consideration. The Air 3 launched at $1,099, positioning it as a solid mid-range option. If DJI packs the Air 4 with bigger sensors, advanced LiDAR-based obstacle avoidance, and longer battery life, we could see a price increase to around $1,200 or more. This would push the Air series into higher-end territory, making buyers question whether to stick with the Air lineup or invest in a Mavic instead. Until DJI officially unveils the Air 4, we can only speculate. For current Air 3 users, the decision to upgrade will depend on whether the new features justify the added cost. For newcomers, it may come down to whether the Air 4 remains a mid-range powerhouse or starts creeping into premium territory.
Can you believe it's already time to talk about a new Pocket camera? It feels like the Pocket 3 just dropped yesterday. Yet, here we are, with whispers, leaks, and insider chatter painting a picture of what could be DJI's most advanced handheld gimbal camera. And after 9 long years, GoPro is making a thrilling comeback to the stabilizer game. The brand new Fluid AI is ready to take on DJI, supporting GoPro cameras, smartphones, and compact cameras under 400 grams. With smart AI tracking, a built-in light, and an impressive 18-hour battery life, this beast means business. Mark your calendars. It drops on October 21st for just $229.99. Trust me, if even half of these rumors are true, this little guy is going to shake up the vlogging world all over again. So let's dive in, because the DJI Pocket 4 isn't just another upgrade. It might just be a mini cinema revolution you can hold in one hand. The Pocket 4 is rumored to be the direct successor to the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, that tiny gimbal camera creators fell in love with for its buttery smooth footage and stunning 1-inch sensor. This time, DJI isn't just polishing the old formula, they're reinventing it. We're talking about a dual camera setup, folks. Yep, dual lenses on a handheld gimbal camera. That's a first for the Pocket series. The main camera is expected to keep that glorious 1-inch CMOS sensor, but with refined low-light performance and richer colors. Then comes the exciting twist, a secondary lens, either telephoto or ultra-wide. Imagine having true optical zoom for cinematic compression, or a sweeping ultra-wide for travel vlogs and epic landscapes. Oh, and here's the juicy part. DJI might finally bring Hasselblad color tuning to the Pocket lineup. That means natural skin tones, film-like color depth, and that signature cinematic vibe we've only seen on Mavic drones until now. Now, this is where things get spicy. The Pocket 4 is rumored to push 8K video at 30 frames per second. Yes, 8K, while offering 4K at up to 120 frames per second, and possibly even 4K at 240 frames per second for ultra-smooth slow motion. Add in 10-bit D-Log-M color, improved noise reduction, and a new image processor, and suddenly you're holding what feels like a tiny cinema camera. But that's not all. DJI's new Active Track 7.0 is expected to bring smarter AI tracking, better face detection, and buttery gimbal motion that reacts instantly. Whether you're running, dancing, or chasing your dog through the park, the Pocket 4 might just lock onto your subject like a pro cinematographer who never blinks. No excuses for losing your shot anymore. DJI isn't stopping at optics and AI. The Pocket 4 might feature a 2.5-inch rotatable OLED screen, finally making it easier for vloggers to frame their shots from any angle. Add a bigger battery, improved cooling for 8K heat, and even IP67 dust and water resistance, and this thing is looking more rugged than ever. Oh, and the grip? Rumor has it, DJI refined the texture for better comfort during long shoots. Connectivity upgrades? You bet. Expect Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, and seamless integration with an updated DJI Mimo app that might include smart editing tools and auto-framing for solo creators. Now here's where it gets interesting. The expected price sits between $599 and $699 USD, depending on the lens setup. Not bad at all for something this powerful. But DJI better stay sharp, because Oppo and Vivo are reportedly cooking up their own pocket-style gimbal cameras for 2026. The race is officially on, folks, and that means more innovation, better features, and hopefully better prices for creators everywhere. If all this turns out to be true, the DJI Pocket 4 could be a massive leap forward. Dual lenses, 8K power, Hasselblad color, a rotatable OLED, and AI smarts that redefine solo filmmaking. This isn't just a camera, it's shaping up to be the ultimate pocket-sized storytelling machine. So pack your bags, creators. Late 2025 or early 2026 might just deliver the next big chapter in portable filmmaking.